Hello, welcome back to Byte Forever. A little bit of explanation here. Just typing in a program from ZX Computing, October, November 1982. I've got another 5 lines to type in, and I'll tell you, like, this is nerve-wracking. so we're on line 120. Because at any moment I could accidentally knock the table and lose the whole thing. And to be honest, even when I've actually finished typing this in, it might just crash anyway. And I don't really have a proper way of saving from this. Like I tried using sound recorder or video. Well, it's actually sound recorder, I think, on the PC. But yeah, this is pretty much hope for the best. I'll just type in the final few lines off camera and come back, see what it does. Okay, so there it is, typed in the whole program. You can list it from the start. Actually, no, you can't list the whole thing just because of the way that ZX81 editor works, if you can call it an editor. So 5/0 means it's run out of lines to display. So if you want to list the rest of the program, you have to sort of type in list with a number, and then it'll list from that line onwards. So you see that there. And yeah, this is a program called, or I should say, the part in the magazine back from 1982, ZX Computing, is called Surging Away into Space by Tim Rogers, and it's basically like it was back then. You got a lot of magazines where you had typing programs, and this is just on that page, and it's sort of quite good really. You could just type it in and run it on your new ZX81. It's worth pointing out actually, this line 1, this is actually machine code encoded into a REM statement, and that, I guess that speeds up. I've not actually run this yet, but I'm just going to do that now, see what happens. Okay, so you get like random blocks go across the screen. I'm guessing that alright, okay, so there's some keys I should have known actually. There's an in key on line 60, so I don't know, just try running it again. So I don't know if you can actually steer this thing, do I know? It's a little bit random. The text from the magazine says, in this program you're trying to avoid some very weird slab-like asteroids. But there isn't actually... Oh, the last bit says you move your ship to the right by pressing any key, and it drifts to the left when you release your finger. Alright, okay, so let's run it again. If we go right, now I'm stuck. Alright, actually, here we go. Right, run it again. So drift to the left. Now we want to go right. No, we want to try and go right there, down that little hole there, possibly. Yeah. Ah, brilliant. What a game. See, you know, you can keep your Nintendo Switches, your PlayStation 5s, Xbox, whatever it is. Look at this. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, it actually went through the block then. Oh, I scored 307. So yeah, that was a little bit of... In fact, you can't actually stop the program, because when you press... Oh yeah, you have to do shift break and then breaks out of it. And list, type list in, eventually it lists it. Oh, so that's quite good. So yeah, that was ZX Computing October, November 1982. If you want to look that up on the internet, it's freely available. I'll put a link in the description. This is from page 85. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.